See, I'm your grandson, not your son. See, I'm not the stinky butt. See, I'm not the stinky butt. You gonna let the pawpaw wake you up? You gonna let the pawpaw wake you up? Wake up. Open those eyes, son. Come on. Come on. Grab his hand or something. Get him to open his eyes. Open the hands for the pawpaw. Open the eyes. Come on, talk to me. There him go. He got them open, Papi. He got them open. Look at him. Arturo. Arthur Gray Fifth. Hello. It's Pawpaw. Yeah, it's Pawpaw. Talk to me. Talk to me, Papi. Talk it to me. Talk it to the Pawpaw. Oh, he's looking for the mama now. He sees mama over there. He feel her. Yeah, there we go. You still sleepy. Did I wake you up? Or are you trying to fuss? I think you trying to fuss. So Grandpa gonna have to cut the light off. Okay? I see your eyes. They still open. You're trying to find the light. But don't try to find the wrong one. We want you to come home, okay? Oh, we got both of the eyes all the way open. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. We got them all the way open, Papi. Yes, 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 yes. Sana, sana. Sana, sana. Colita rana sana mañana, mijo. Say hi, say hola, mama. Hola, ama. ¿Cómo está, ama? Yeah. Say yo está bien. Estoy bien, mama.